CustomerRivet demo video. Our cloud-based application streamlines the complete process of customer branding, making it very easy for you. After you make a sale, you ask your customers for their feedback. If they are happy customers, you make them your references, develop their quotes and stories as reference proof points. You promote them publicly on your website and social networks. Many of them might already be popular brands with your audience, thus providing valuable customer branding to your offerings, hence leading to more sales. Not just from new customers, but also from existing customers who are more engaged now. What if they're unhappy? Well, you track and resolve their issues and make them happy customers again. Now, let me further show you how to accomplish this using our application in 4 easy steps. Step 1. How to get started and ask for feedback from your customers. You make the sale, and your customer has begun to reap the benefits. This is the right time to approach the customer for feedback. Let's see how to do that. Create a customer record. Enter all the relevant details. Add customer contacts. They are those individuals with whom you have the relationship. Now outreach to the customer to invite by clicking on Get Feedback. An email invite is sent with a link to the customer feedback questionnaire. You could also extra personalize the email before sending it out. Step 2. What do your customers see and are expected to do? The idea is to approach the customer once at the right moment rather than risk losing traction with repeated contacts. Therefore, the questionnaire consists of multiple interlinked sections and built-in intelligence. Let me show you how this looks. Your customer gets an email invite from you with a link to a web page. Clicking on the link opens up a web form with one or more of these standard sections. Section 1. Customer information. Known information about the customer is displayed, asking them to update. Once updated, it syncs up the customer record internally. Section 2. Customer feedback. This is the core section and helps to understand the experience of your customer on their relationship with you as the supplier. It typically consists of questions with predefined choices, and the customer is asked to rate you. Section 3. Customer segmentation logic. Your customers are segmented as happy and unhappy, or even neutral, based on their responses to select questions. Of course, this part is internal and is visible only to you and not to your customer. Section 4. Customer testimonials. If the customer is a happy customer, then we try to recruit them as a reference by checking if they are interested in creating one or more testimonials, like a quote, which are comments describing the overall experience, or a success story, which is a short write-up with before and after scenario, or sharing via social media or even a YouTube video. Section 5. Customer issues. If the customer is an unhappy one, then we ask them to elaborate about their concerns so that it helps you to resolve them. An issue is automatically logged in the system for further tracking. And the best part is, everything can be customized and configured to meet your specific business needs. Step 3. Once your customer responds, what happens then? You simply action upon their feedback. It is very important to close the loop with your customers. Let's see how to do that. For the happy customers, you would be able to see the drafts of testimonials. If they are already customer approved, then you would publish them. Of course, you can always proofread or modify the drafts and send them back to the customer for their review and approval. The Customer Success Portal are the public pages, and this is where you would have all your public customer testimonials, and hence the best place to point to your sales prospects during selling. It is searchable and can be shared. You can also embed these pages in your business's main website. For the unhappy customers, you would be able to see the logged issues in the Issues section. You can further track the progress by updating the status. Of course, once the issues are resolved, you should further go back to the customer for feedback. Step 4. How does everything help drive sales and revenue? An impressive list of customer testimonials is any salesperson's dream come true. When you have some popular customer names amongst your target segment already vouching for you, it makes it a lot easier to convince your new prospects about the value of your offerings, hence making it quicker and easier to sell. If you can make this process an integral part of your sales cycle, then you have a winner with a continuous pipeline getting added to your inventory of customer testimonials and thus enhancing your customer branding further. Empower your sales. Make customer branding your selling strategy. Sign up now for our free trial version.